to another video in this series, and today we're going to be cleaning and decorating the living room. Now this is what I'm working with. Needles everywhere, couch is filthy, console is dirty, needs to be dusted and everything like that. So I'm laying out my favorite cleaning products. Love Swiffer forever. I love little dusters. They're the best things ever. You just slide it in and fluff it. They're so easy to use, and I just like to fluff them and then go in and wipe down, which is exactly what I'm doing. It just captures all the dust without making it fly everywhere, and that's one of the things that I really love about using the Swiffer dusters. So if you do use these, let me know down in the comment section, but they are one of my favorite things to use.
Doesn't matter if the snow is falling or the wind blows and the rain is pouring, it will always be Christmas in my heart. But this year I wanna hang out with my friends and family, making angels in the sand, you and me. Doesn't matter, it is Christmas in my heart. And I can promise Santa's coming to visit. No, he wouldn't miss this in Christmas times. Oh, and the sunset is just getting better on a blanket with the skyline painted in blue.
Now once I've captured all the dust and dirt, it's time to go in with Pledge. I really like this as a finishing spray to make sure everything is nice and shiny and there are no more dust particles. Feels amazing. So I have this garland that I picked up from Michael's and some balls that I got from Canadian Tire, and I got the garland on sale. So if you're looking for new garland, go ahead and check out your Michael's. This one is pre-lit, and I'm just going to go ahead and fluff this to make sure that it looks really full and nice and that none of the bulbs are hidden, and so I can go ahead and stuff in those balls. That's exactly what they are there for. I'm just going to use them as decorations, and it's going to act like the garland is already stringed with balls because it's not. Pre-stringed garland is probably really expensive, and I thought this was a really good way to really hack that look and make it match my tree, and I can always go in and use those balls later for anything else I want. Now I'm going to go in with my little glow gnomes. They are so adorable. If you watched my last haul video from HomeSense that you saw when I picked these up, I put in some AAA batteries and they are good to go on the console. They look so cute there. But now I need to pick up all of these needles. This is one of the downsides of having a live tree. You have to really clean up every day. I try to clean up every 2 days because the needles don't drop as quickly as they normally would with another tree. We have a Ornament fir, and I think they're kind of sturdier than probably a Fraser fir or a balsam. So that's kind of what I find with the Ornament. But I just need to pick up everything before I get started on this couch. As you can see, the couch underneath the cushions is someplace where dirt and food and chips and crumbs and everything gets trapped under the couch. We sit here and snack and watch TV a whole lot, so I expected this area to be dirty. I'm glad that it's not too bad. We did pretty good keeping our crumbs to ourselves, but I need to take my little Bissell vacuum and vacuum all of this up. Y'all, this little vacuum is a 2-in-1, and it is so good. It's very affordable. I always get it on sale at Bed Bath & Beyond, so I'll put a link down in the description box if you're looking for a cheap vacuum that can get the job done. So now I want to add my blue velvet pillows that I picked up from HomeSense. I'm just fluffing them and taking off any type of glitter or anything like that off of them. I do need to find a quilt to go with this. But to get back underneath this tree, y'all, I started vacuuming with little hand vacuum, my Bissell vacuum, and I was like, this isn't making no sense. So I just took the tree skirt and shaked off all of the needles, and I was like, this is better. This works for me. So I don't have to be bending down so much. But I just shake them off, snapped my little Bissell vacuum back together, and it vacuumed up everything.
Rudolph, my dear, the forecast ain't clear.
Now I had to add this little velvet and faux fur gift under the tree. I think this is such a really cute decor piece, and it just matches everything so perfectly, so glam. But I need this place to smell more like Christmas, so I'm using this Febreze air spray. This is in the pine scent. I love that. But you guys, here is the final look. Let me know, what do you think about my little glow gnomes and my DIY bold garland set? Like, I love how this garland came out. Like, everything really ties in together. Like I said right now, the only thing I need right now is a perfect throw to go with this look. All right, you guys, let me know what you think, and I will see you in the next video super soon.
Will you end